All righty, guys. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, wherever you guys are in the world. My name is JP Savage. Most of you guys know who I am. If you don't know by now, just go follow me on Instagram at FXJP Savage. And tonight I'm going to break down the last 5 trades that I'm taking. I'm currently on a 5-0 winning streak. I have not lost a trade this week, and it's only Tuesday. So imagine, we still have the rest of the week. We still have Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday to win. So potentially, we could go 10-0 this week. So, at the beginning of the week, I started looking at GJ and I was like, okay, potentially we are going to go bearish once we break these lows, right? As soon as we started breaking these lows, I'm like, okay, we're bearish, right? So what am I waiting for? I'm waiting for either a break and a retest or a break, a fib, and then continuation, right? So, I saw that we had this little pullback, came back, rejected our 8 SMA. And then as soon as we got this 30-minute bearish candle close, I was like, okay, now I'm looking for sells. So what did I do? I waited for the next 30-minute candle, boom, got in sells. Easy 1 to 2, smashed instantly, right? After that, we got broke even. I saw this retracement. So this was also a fib short right here. I wasn't able to take this trade because I was already up for the night, but I was Gucci. But I saw this retracement happen, right? And right as soon as this retracement happened, boom, melted, right? So my sells would have continued if I hadn't gone broke even in this trade, right? Ultimately, the trade is a winner when it goes to your direction, not when it just hits your take profits. So I was anticipating sells and we did melt eventually after we did have this fib. So at that point, I'm like, okay, what's going to happen? Now we're in a downtrend, right? So we're making new lower lows and lower highs. So I'm like, okay, when we have Asian session consolidation, then we break below this little consolidation. I'm like, okay, let's see if we can get a break and a retest. As soon as we got that break and retest, boom, called shorts, instantly 1 to 6 risk to reward ratio. These shorts are still running, right? 70 pips in profit so far. Potentially we could see 150 getting tapped for 100 pips. And, that same night I was like, damn, sells are looking really, really nice. So price actually came back, almost broke me even. And then it started melting again. Once we closed below this level of support and resistance, I was like, all right, I'm taking sells again. Boom. Sells, instant, another 1 to 3 right away. Boom. Barely saw any drawdown at all. Probably like 1 pip drawdown. It just went straight into profit. Boom. TP1 smashed like probably within 10-15 minutes. And those are 3 trades so far that I've gone over that have happened on GBPJPY. So now we go to the EURJPY, and these are the other 2 trades. So these 2 trades I still have that are still currently running, right? This one I took as a continuation to our downtrend. So EURJPY had been consolidating, right? Then we broke out of that consolidation, came back, retested it, and started a little downtrend. So with a downtrend, it's the easiest time to trade. So pretty much at every new lower high, you just take a sell and you're going to be Gucci because you're going to go to the lower low at that point if we're downtrending correctly. So pretty much as soon as I saw this little tide shift and saw that price started coming back up, boom, closed bearish. As soon as we closed bearish, got in right away. Sells all the way easily. I think with like 0 drawdown, it was 50 pips. Yeah, 50 pips for a 1 to 3.5 risk to reward ratio. So that's another 3.5% added to like the other 10 or 15% plus GJ. So that's like about 19% that you're up right now, right? Then, I saw this pullback happen. So we had this pullback right here when we made this low, right? We never were able to make new lower lows, right? So as soon as this little pullback happened, took my shorts, boom, straight into profit. I think it came back a little bit. Yeah, it came back a little bit, 2 pips to drawdown, and then it melted again because we had a little retracement. But pretty much most of my trades have seen TP3 smashed up more than 3% per trade. That's a guaranteed 15% right there if you only took 3% per trade. But that's just in 5 trades. That's 15% in 5 trades. So imagine there's still 3 or 4 more trading days left in the week. So pretty much my signals right now, they're eating, let me tell you guys. And pretty much this is pretty much what I've been doing. These trades are still running. My main target for this one is 128 flat, and then my second position right here, it's 127,500. So I'm looking to get potentially around 120 pips over here and around 105 pips over here. So I mean, it's not bad, you know, that's 200 pips right there plus GJ, right? If we do continue this, right, GJ, I'm looking for 150. So that's another 100 pips, right? That's 300 pips. And then this one over here, if it melts to 149,750, which is my other take profit for this trade, we should potentially be seeing another 100 pips. So what is that? That's 400 pips, right? That's just 4 trades, 400 pips. Boom. That right there should, boom, you're done for the week. That should be done for the week. But you know what? Come back and get more. You know the vibes. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys have an amazing night. I'll see you guys for London session if you guys are trading with my signals, and all my links will be down in the description.